like one, like, sheep at a time?
One sheep at a time.
One sheep
Yep, yep.
Wow.
And there's maybe like 200 small mills across the country where a farm can take their wool or their fiber and
Yeah.
But it's fine.
Oh, I didn't get to film that.
But you can see it still has a lot of lumps and bumps.
Yes.
Yeah, it's going to be a very lumpy, bumpy yarn. It's not going to be pretty. It takes a lot of hand carding to.
It's basically like a drum carder on steroids.
Yeah.
Like you can get a hand crate to a drum cart to make backs and stuff. Come look at what it's sit out and wait.
Yeah, constantly keep put it on there, put it away. So this is the draw frame. So it only comes through here if we're going to spin it here. If we're going to send it to somebody to spin themselves, it goes back to demonstrate. And this also drafts it. It thins it out some. So these cans would have 50 yards in them. When it comes over here, it's going to be 65 yards because it's drafted. Or something similar. Fast right here. Yeah. And that's what people twist in. And then I can look at the gauge and I can say, we're drafting it 4.3 times smaller than what it started in here. And I'm putting in 4 twists per inch. Which is important when you go to fly because I can do the math, whereas you have weavers like it on a cone because it's easier to work the loom if you don't have to do like multiple skeins and stuff like that. On these little ones, I'm usually doing like 12 yards. So
Oh, nice. Yeah.
then we cut it and tie it together. It comes out of here, it's been hand tied by me. Tried to get my mom to tie some, but she just, some people, she's just not suited to hand tie. She's got a lot of other gifts. So we'll tie it, the two ends together, we'll tie it in 2 places so it doesn't tangle. I mean, this isn't really going to tangle, but you can imagine when I'm 200 yards, it's going to tangle. Then we would actually wash it in the washing machines over there. We'd let it soak in warm water with a little bit of detergent because the spinner has oil. And believe it or not, there's still dirt left in the fiber as it travels through the machines because the tips of the wool or fiber hold the dirt. Promise you, you get clean dirt back because I washed it and it's good. But if we do wash the yarn, we'll get a little more of that out, and we'll get the oil out, and then we'll let it just hang to dry over there, and then we'll twist it into little mini skein or regular skein. And then this is a needle felter. I don't have it set up to demonstrate, but I can run bats and fiber through there and make felts, needle felt them. And the table over there is a wet felter, so I can lay stuff out on that and wet felt it. And I will show you, I just need those two stains.
He is in the fiber arts.
I know, he's really a woodworker. I try to just get him to stick with that and not talk. But
Sorry.
But so, what you're doing is if you're a weaver, some of y'all are, there's a warp. You have to warp your loom. Well, this is your warp, and you're going to cut it twice as long as what you want your project, plus an extra on each end. So this would actually be a really short project, and that knot's going to. And then you're going to put your pegs in. You can do thick yarn, you can do thin yarn. The little holes are for little pegs to do thinner yarn because it's set closer together. You're gonna tie it on any peg. It does not matter. Doesn't matter if you have an odd peg, even peg, whatever. It doesn't matter if I tied it on the beginning or the end or whatever. You're going to go in front, behind, in front, behind, in front, behind, in front, behind, in front. Regardless of whether it's even pegs or odd pegs, it always works out. I'm in front. I'm now going to go behind. Going to keep doing that.
Oh, so it's just weaving vertically.
Yep.
Okay.
And then
Makes sense.
it doesn't matter how many rows I do. At some point, I'm going to stop.
So what you're doing now is the warp.
This is the warp. Now I'm doing the weaving.
You're doing the
Okay.
weft.
I'm doing the weft.
Okay.
And I'm going to stop in the middle for this part because if I stop at the end, it's hard to know where I am. But what you're going to do is you're going to slide this down your warp thread.
Oh my
And
God.
see,
That's
if I had
so
stopped
much
here,
easier.
it's hard to tell was I in
Yeah.
front or behind. I know I'm in front, I'm behind, just finish out that row. And just pull each peg, slide your warp through there. And then you start again.
It's so simple.
It is very simple. And if you run out, just back up a peg or two and follow that and keep going. And doesn't matter if you stop on either side, I can do the same. But what you're doing, once you get it on there, you'll be able to scooch everything in, tighten it up, make it look like this. You can make it as tight or as loose